everybody, welcome to the 21st annual Summer Stampede here at Mayfair Park. Got a lot of beautiful cars out here, a lot of vendors coming to support us. Put on by the Lakewood Chamber of Commerce every year, help support our local business and bring our neighbors together.
Come together for neighbors to get to know one another. It creates cohesiveness in our city. I want to thank the Greater Lakewood Chamber of Commerce for putting together the event.
It's cool when there are things that are older than me that are still considered cool. There are a lot of them. Please feel free to call our office or come by the office. Thank you. Have a good day.
I'm here attending the car show today, and it's always a good time out here. Make sure you shop local and stay in Lakewood.
I think that all the car hop people should get out and join this particular event because it is really a good one. The Summer Stampede is one of the best ones.